Hi friends, welcome back to Coffee with Ravi. Today my post is about danger, symptoms and signs of GI illness. I get many questions about when should I know if I'm sick. The number one symptom you should be watching out for would be unexplained weight loss. When we don't feel well, we eat less, and sometimes the illness itself causes you to lose weight. The second symptom is change in bowel habit. We all have occasional ups and downs in our bowel habit, but if it's prolonged and the pattern that we are used to changes and it stays changed, that's something to bring to the attention of your doctor. The third thing would be blood in the stool or black colored stool. Any type of blood, whether it be from hemorrhoids or from something else that is more dangerous like cancer, needs to be brought to somebody's attention. Black stool can sometimes be a symptom of leakage of blood from the stomach area, and as it gets digested it becomes black, and this is jet colored black sticky stool. Occasionally though, when you take iron it can become dark. That's different from black stool. The next symptom is any kind of new onset of belly pain that is prolonged. Is something that can suggest that there's some disorders going on that are related to the digestive tract. Lastly, yellow jaundice can be a symptom of liver disease, and if you observe that you're turning yellow or anybody around you is turning yellow, that needs to be brought to a physician's attention. Thank you. We hope to see you again with Coffee with Ravi next week.